Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a way you can use to make money online by sharing your internet connection. What you have to do is simply open up your browser and search for Honeygain and click on the first link you're going to see in the search results. Okay, so as the website says, Honeygain is a website you can use to make money by sharing your internet. So how does it work? So for this, you're going to need of about two things. First of all, you need either a Windows laptop or a MacBook. Okay, so in this case, I'm using a Windows, so all I have to do is simply click on download. Then it's going to download the client software that is going to help me share my internet and make money from it. Okay, and the app is very small, it's simply about 12 MB. Once you download the app, but before you continue downloading the app, let me just show you like how much money can we make from this website. Okay, so let us say you are sharing 2 GB every month. So that means that every day you're going to be sharing 2 GB. And if I grab my phone right now and if I grab my calculator and I try to multiply 2 GB times 31 days, okay, so that's like 62 GB. So for 62 GB gets paid like $18, which is okay. But here's the tricky part, like where I come from, like here in Zambia's, like bundles are really expensive. Like you can get 1 GB for half a dollar. So for this to work, the first thing you have to have is your laptop. Second, you need to have an unlimited internet connection. So what I mean by this is that if you're from Zambia, try getting something more like Velocity, something where you just pay a monthly fee, not in terms of bandwidth you're supposed to use. So when it comes to Velocity, you pay of about 480 kwacha and you can browse, download as much as you want. You are not limited in what you can do. But if you buy it at say 10 GB every month, 5 GB every week, and so on, it's not going to work because you're going to spend more. So the downloading is done. And the other disadvantage of this website is that for you to really make up to $18 a month by sharing your 2 GB, like your laptop needs to be on 24/7. So as such, it's going to damage up your battery, and sometimes, yeah, like if I've got a desktop, like I think that would work. I think by now you should be able to know how you can actually download and install softwares on Windows. For now, I'm going to say bye bye. Okay, so give this video a try. It's legit, it does work, and let me know how it goes for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.